Recently, Google has warned its Chrome web browser users of a security flaw which is actively being exploited by threat actors. As Google's threat analysis group found out, the flaw was a confusion weakness vulnerability in the Chrome V8 JavaScript engine, with the potential to cause the crashing of Chrome, as well as running of malicious code on compromised endpoints. This is an issue that should not be taken lightly, and users of Chrome should take the necessary steps to protect themselves from it. The vulnerability was first identified by Clement Lasine from Google's Threat Analysis Group, an organization set up to tackle flaws that might be abused by state-sponsored actors. Now, the company has issued a security advisory warning of its presence in the wild and recommending people to update their browsers immediately. In order to patch the problem, Chrome users should be sure to upgrade their browsers to the latest version, 112.0.5615.121. To update, users can head to the Chrome menu and navigate to Help about Google Chrome. By pressing the Check for New Updates button, users can get the patch. Google advises that this should become available to all customers in the coming days and weeks. In addition, a browser reboot will be required. This is to ensure the problem is covered on Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. With the patch successfully installed, users should be secured against the high-severity coding flaw. Of course, with any security issue, it is always important to take the necessary steps to protect your online activities from malicious threats. This includes installing reliable endpoint protection software to ensure everything is running without any issues. In conclusion, Chrome web browser users are lucky to have such a proactive company in Google. The threat analysts found the coding flaw quickly and successfully secured the software with the help of the patch. Going forward, users would be wise to make sure their browsers